Hey, what's up guys? It's me Kareem and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you a cool card trick. So grab yourself a deck of cards and let's get started. This is the performance of the rising card trick. This is the explanation of the rising card trick. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions about it in the comments down below. And make sure to like the video if you like this, and also subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe right here. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!